and overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 19, verse 18 up to 22. And Lot said unto them, O not so, my lord. Behold, now thy servant has found grace in thy sight, and thou hast magnified thy mercy, which thou hast shewed unto me in saving my life. I cannot escape to the mountains, lest some evil take me, and I die. Behold, now this city is near to flee unto, and it is a little one. O let me escape thither. It is not a little one, and my soul shall live. And he said unto him, See, I have accepted thee, concerning these things also, that I will not overthrow this city for the which thou hast spoken. Hasty, escape thither, for I cannot do anything to be- become thither. Therefore, the name of the city was called Suar. So, so here comes the rescue of Lot, and Lot was rescued, and Lot intercede, and he asked that they need to flee to the nearest place or the nearest city called Soar. So even that city Soar was saved by God. So that's the power of intercession.